Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm saying a little bit different because we're kind of taking something classic and then mixing it with something a little bit new, well at least new for my channel. Also, I keep looking in my viewfinder. I just watched 𝗍𝗃𝗧𝗧𝗧 lighting video. I really feel like I need to take some tips from that because I need like a bounce board. I feel like right now all I see is like Chin City going on, and I'm not digging it, but let's go ahead and get into the video. So I thought it would be fun to kind of start something a little bit new on my channel. I have yet to come up with like a cute, clever, or witty name, but in my head right now, I think I'm gonna go with like Monday Mashup. Monday Makeup Mashup, Makeup Monday Mashup. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Let me know in the comments down below once I kind of explain the idea to you if you guys have any cute ideas in mind. So I thought every Monday I could hop on here and kind of share a haul with you, whether it's products that I bought or PR or a mixture of both, which is what I'm doing today, and then kind of test these products throughout the week, maybe throw in a tutorial using these products. Well, not maybe, I really do want to throw in a tutorial using these products that's kind of like a first impressions, and then at the end of the week give you kind of highlights of what products really stood out, maybe which ones are not worth your money whatsoever. Hopefully though, we'll have some good products in here because overall I like to keep it positive, but if something sucks, I'm definitely gonna let you know. So now let's go ahead and get into the haul portion of the video. These first four products are ones that I'm really excited to use this week. I ordered these products from the brand Revolution. Of course, like 2 days after I placed this order, then Ulta had the products that I really wanted in stock, but at the time they didn't have the main thing that I wanted, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. There was, how many shades? I feel like it was maybe like 15 to 20, maybe even more. Maybe I'm exaggerating. I swear though, whenever I was looking at the swatches that there seemed to be like a pretty extensive shade range. I'll have to go back and check. I know that this is available on Ulta now, but at the time it wasn't. So I was on Revolution's site. If you guys have never checked out Makeup Revolution before, I've done several, maybe 2 or 3 videos kind of reviewing whenever they first launched at Ulta. I also did a comparison of like the dupe for the Kat Von D and light palette. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link them down below. Now, whenever I was looking at the shades, I honestly felt overwhelmed. I feel like what I got may be too light, but the shade that I use in Tarte Shape Tape is also pretty light because I haven't been self-tanning at all lately. I got mine in the shade C4. So this is the packaging here. I think it's super cute. I like that it's just rose gold. It's not as long as the Tarte Shape Tape, but it seems about as chubby, if I could get this open. Okay, so here's the shade C4. Oh man, I think I may have messed up. This looks really light. The doe foot applicator looks almost as big as the Tarte Shape Tape one. Actually, that might not be too bad. I definitely got one that has a little bit more of like a neutral pinky undertone. I'm excited. I feel like that looks pretty similar to my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I think I have that one like in light, fair light, something like that. So we'll see how this one goes. My face is looking like extra chubby today. I just feel like it's not cute. Hello, honey. Seriously sweating. My armpits are dripping right now. That's disgusting. They are. It's so hot. I think I'm having a hot flash. A little behind the scenes action for y'all. Okay, next up I picked up this palette. Now this was on Ulta at the time. It was just out of stock. I'm not really too familiar with who Soph is. I feel bad. I probably should have done a little research first. I'm guessing she's some sort of YouTuber or beauty blogger though. But this is the Makeup Revolution 24 eyeshadow palette in collab with Soph. The only other, no, I take that back. I've tried 2 or 3 Makeup Revolution palettes. The Kat Von D Shade and Light dupe one that I was mentioning earlier, that one wasn't bad at all. In fact, I really liked that one. But then I tried another one that was kind of a dupe for one of the, oh, you're the best. Keegan just brought a fan. A dupe for one of the Urban Decay palettes, Naked palettes, maybe like Naked 2. Thanks, honey. You're the best. Okay, the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, wasn't as crazy about that one, but this one had so many great reviews on Ulta. The packaging is really cute. It's kind of this really light, it kind of reminds me of 𝗍𝗃𝗧𝗏's whole color theme with the rose gold and then kind of light pink blush. So this is the one that I definitely want to do the tutorial on sometime this week. Lots of really pretty kind of like warm corally shades as well as some like fun colors in here. This one, why can't I think of, what was that really popular, like MAC had a shadow that was just like this, kind of like blue-brown pigment, something like that. Let's swatch. This gold looks really pretty. Oh, the texture of it is nice. Ooh, and then let's swatch this matte orange one here. Let's see how these look. The texture of the gold one was a little bit chunky. But sometimes swatches don't tell the whole story, so we'll definitely have to see how these apply on the eyes. But I'm really excited to play with this one. I do like that it comes with a little sheet that has the names on here too. So just for example, some of the names are Cloudberry, Grow Old, Pumpkin, Pine Tree, Pug, Petrol. I wonder if she's British. Copper Coin, a Cup of Tea. So cute. I'm sure some of y'all are like screaming at me right now for not knowing who she is, and I do feel bad about that. But I mean, there's so many YouTubers out there, it's hard to know everyone. But either way, I mean, I'm always happy to support a YouTuber or beauty blogger. Okay, and then I did pick up one other palette. The shadows in this one are a lot bigger. This is the Reloaded Iconic Neutrals, like N-E-W, new. Neutrals 2. You guys know I always love me some warm shadows. This has like a piece of tape. I'm gonna end up breaking this. I need to start bringing, oh, there we go, a little box cutter or something. Look at the shades in this one. Oh, I thought these were so pretty. See how some of these swatch. Oh, this orange right here. These actually feel a lot better than some of the other. Wow. Look at those, especially that metallic cranberry. Metallic cranberry shade. That is so like pigmented and saturated. I'm really excited about these two palettes. Maybe I'll film that look tomorrow. Okay, so I got that. Oh, and then one other product from Makeup Revolution. If you guys have never checked out the brand before, you'll see that they do kind of do a lot of copycat products. I don't know if it's really fair to call it a dupe or just basically being like, no, you just copied that. Either way, though, I mean, if it's more affordable, not everyone can afford, you know, the Cover Effects custom cover, what were they called? Spotlight something, custom cover drops. You know, the highlighting liquid drops, those were, I want to say the bottle was even smaller than this. I should have grabbed mine. And those were like $30 or $40. I believe this one was either $7 or $8. There were several different shades available. It's the liquid highlighter. I got mine in the shade Liquid Luminous Gold. Honestly, sometimes the swatches online are hard to go by. So here is the packaging, definitely bigger than the Cover Effects one. I'll definitely do a side-by-side in the update video. So let's see what this guy looks like. Oh, it looks like it might be a little bit thicker than the Cover Effects one. So do a little dewdrop here. Oh, that's pretty though. It's definitely not as, I mean, it's pigmented. You can see the metallic finish in it, but I don't think it's quite as like bam. Like the Cover Effects custom cover drops, those ones were almost like molten metallic shades. This one is slightly sheer, but that might be good, like to mix in with foundation, or if you just want to apply it as a highlighter on its own. But we'll see, we'll see. Okay, now moving on to a couple of the drugstore products that I purchased. First up, I have this one from Maybelline, which honestly, I'm really embarrassed. I shouldn't even be allowed to call myself like a beauty YouTuber when I haven't tried this yet. I love Maybelline products, so I don't know what's held me back. Well, actually, I kind of do. Anytime that I go to H-E-B or Target or even Ulta, it seems like the colors that I would be the most interested in are always sold out. And finally, there was one that I really liked that I was like, oh, I feel like I could definitely wear that. But then seriously, like 2 days after I bought this, I received a PR package from Maybelline that had this color as well as like 4 or 5 other ones. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, I guess is what you could call it, right? Lip color. Yeah, I have not tried these yet. I know they've been out for forever. Hopefully the shade is pretty true to what's on the outside. So, ooh, these are my favorite types of doe foot applicators. The ones that have that like spade shape with a little well inside. So this one is in the shade 65 Seductress. Oh yes, I think I'm going to love this color. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty spot on. It might have a little bit more pink than what was on the like outer packaging, but that's my kind of color. I'm excited. And with this palette, that will be really, really pretty. Okay, so I bought that as well as this guy here. This was honestly kind of pricey. I can't remember how much it was at H-E-B. I want to say it was like $12 to $13, but there was a coupon. This is the True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighter Palette in 760 Moon Kissed. There was 2 options available. This was the more kind of like pink, icier version, and then there was a more golden version, which typically I would go for, but a lot of the shades in there were a lot more like bronzy for my complexion rather than actual highlighters. I don't know how this is going. Oh, these don't feel very good. We'll see how they swatch, but the texture feels very chalky. I'm thinking this might be a dud. That top shade isn't too bad. I don't know how well you'll even be able to see, but some of these other ones, I don't know. We'll have to go in with a brush and see, maybe like with some MAC Fix Plus. This shade here though is really, really pretty. Kind of dark for a highlighting shade for me, but this was definitely the softest in the palette. I'm a little bit annoyed because that was not like a super cheap drugstore product. I did pick up this guy as well. This is the True Match Lumi Shimmerista. I honestly don't know why I picked up this shade because I typically never wear these kind of like white opal-y highlighters, but the other one wasn't there. But guess what? The day after I purchased this, I get the huge like Lumi PR package. So the other shade is in there. In fact, I am wearing it today. It was a little bit darker than what I thought, so I kind of had to go in there and mix it. But this one is in the shade 505 Moonlight. The packaging of these, I do love that it's rose gold. I don't know, I just think that's so pretty and like whimsical looking. These do have the little sifter on the top since it's a loose powder. Forgot to bring a, what's it called? Tweezers. Okay, let's sift a little bit of this guy. What is going on? Howard is going like ape shit out there. Oh, this is gonna be too, nope. This isn't going to be a highlighter that I wear on my face just because there is a lot of like kind of like bluish lavender tones in there. That'll make a pretty eyeshadow. It is pigmented, but not for like a face highlighter. At least for me, I don't like these. Honestly, I feel like a lot of companies waste money making those like unicorn and mermaid highlighters because how many people in real life do you ever see wearing like green, yellow, orange, blue highlighter across their cheeks? Because I can tell you, I see a lot of people like wearing makeup around me and I don't think I've ever seen a single person wear one of those shades in real life. So I think I may have messed up 𝗟𝗋𝗄 on that one. But we can always utilize it as an eyeshadow. Okay, the other products that I have in here are some PR products that I received, but ones that I thought you guys would be interested in seeing. I know so many people do like massive PR unboxings. I don't really know how I feel about those. I do have 2 or 3 products in here, but I thought that they would be ones worth showing just because I do want to end up doing some sort of tutorial and then, like I said, update review at the end of the week. So I've received both of these from MAC the other day. These are new highlighting palettes. They are the Hyper Reaction collection. It looks like we have one in the shade Flash and Awe. Let's see what this guy looks like. So inside you do have a mirror and then 3 highlighters. There's Flash and Awe, Rosy Glow, and then Light of the Party. Ooh. Let's see how these look. Okay. Yeah, these are way more up my alley. Let me wipe this off. This top one here, I really like. Very, very nice. This one is called Get It Glowin'. And this one looks like we have more true kind of like golden or bronzy highlighters. They kind of get deeper as they go down. Let's do a quick swatch of these guys. We'll just do it next to it. Yeah, so one side is more kind of like pinky and opal, and then down here we have more of the like true golden highlighters. Those are really pretty. I think I'll like those a lot more than the L'Oreal ones, which, I mean, I guess that makes sense because I'm sure that these are a lot more than the L'Oreal one. Although that one, like I said, was like $14. I did use a coupon, but still, for a drugstore highlighter, I really hope that ends up like tickling my pickle because I was not impressed with the swatches. Okay, and then finally, I just have 2 more PR products in here that I want to share with y'all because I know that these are products that I do want to test out for you this week. So I received this package from Pixi, which I thought the packaging was so cute. It came with this really cute little, oh, here it is, rose gold lock and key. I want to like attach this to my keys. I thought it was so cute. Looks like they have some new liquid lipsticks in their collection. I have 5 shades here. I'm only going to swatch one. Let's see. Ooh, this one looks really pretty. It's called Evening Rose. These are the Matte Last Liquid Lipstick. Full color payoff in a single stroke. Let's test that. If I can get it out first. I don't have anything in here to pry this out with. It's like wedged in there deep. Multiple tree salon. It's not coming out. So we're just going to swatch. So let's swatch this guy and this one instead. So first up we have Matte Beige. This just kind of looks like a true nude. And then Really Rose, which is just a really pretty everyday rosy blush looking shade. The packaging is super cute. Let's see. Oh, the doe foot applicator of this is kind of similar to the L'Oreal Infallible and even the Maybelline one that I just showed you, just more at a slant. So, wow, that's really pretty. and super pigmented. Okay, let's do an actual true one stroke and see how pigmented it is. And then this one is called Really Rose. So let's just do one stroke. Whoa. I'm really excited to test out this formula. It glides on really, really thin. It doesn't have like a moussey consistency like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. Kind of like swipes on like the ColourPop or Anastasia formula. It just feels really, really thin, but not super, super liquidy. Both of those shades though are so pretty. Yay, I'm stoked about those. Okay, and then the very final product that I have here for you is the Maybelline Brow Impact That Lasts. Well, that's not the actual product name. It's the Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. It says it's the game changer. The applicator looks like it's a little bit scary, like a fluffy little Q-tip. Let's go ahead and swatch. I'm going to go ahead and start off with soft brown first, just because when products are really like liquidy and pigmented like these are sounding, I typically go with soft brown. In fact, like my holy grail brow product is from Maybelline. It's the Brow Precise Brow Fiberizer. That stuff is amazing. If you guys still haven't tried that yet, what are you doing? I need you to go ahead and try them because they are amazing. So here is the packaging. Kind of comes in a little squeezy tube. So yeah, the applicator looks just like it did in the picture. Just kind of a fuzzy little guy. So let's see. Oh yeah, the shade has a good bit of kind of like an ashy tone to it. It's nothing too warm, which I appreciate because sometimes when you have really dark hair and you go in with some brow products, sometimes the deeper shades pull really, really red. It's weird. You'll be like 3 hours into the day and look in a mirror and be like, why do my eyebrows look orange now? So this looks like a good shade. I could probably go between this and medium brown. I'm excited. So we'll definitely use that in that first impressions video that I was mentioning. I'm really excited. I just chomped my tongue so hard. Apparently I'm too excited. As I was saying, I'm really excited to kind of jump into this whole new type of series with you guys. That way I feel like it'll keep me more up to date on my uploads because I will have a video that I know I can film. So like I said, on Mondays, we'll start doing this kind of like Monday mix, or what did I say? Monday Makeup Mashup, something like that. If y'all can think of a cuter name, definitely leave your suggestions down below. I always like to take input from y'all. And yeah, I'm really excited to come back. Maybe we'll do Wednesday or Thursday, maybe even tomorrow. No, maybe I'll go ahead and film it tomorrow, doing a first impression using these products and then just show you guys the full face look. And then like I said, at the end of the week, I will hop back on here and kind of give you guys a review of all the products that I tried out, what I thought was worth it, and then the products that are just not worth your time or dollar bills. So as I mentioned earlier, if you're liking the idea of this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. That's it for this one. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other content you guys would like to see on my channel. And yeah, if you're not following me on my other socials already, be sure to do so, especially Instagram. I am really good about staying on top of DMs there, posting on my stories, all that fun stuff. So yeah, I think that is it, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.